for Java Web Tokens. They are JSON Web Tokens. This is the wrong title. There, I fixed it here, but I didn't fix it on that 129 SAS page. This is a JSON Web Token signature, and this is very useful. In fact, if you went to the Hackers event on Saturday, there was a challenge where you had to crack these. You should understand these tokens. We've seen that big blob of base 64. So I've already got a bearer token here. I've already done the first part here before. If I go into Burp, you'll see, for example, these gets here, they all have my token in them. Or, well, I thought they would. There, this one has my bearer token. So I can copy it again. There's my bearer token. So I want to understand what that bearer token works, and the simplest way to do it is use a website. There's a JSON Web Token page, jwt.io. And you can just paste in your token here. Delete this demonstration stuff, paste in your token, and it will show you. The red part of it encodes this algorithm, HS512. There's only certain algorithms used for signing. That's one of them. Then the purple stuff is this information, your email, some kind of a time stamp, and some kind of expiration time. That's what they chose to put in here. This is the point of the token, is to store this data. You're trying to prove that you are a certain person. So it includes this information, but this information and the signature are used to verify cryptographically. So that's what this junk is. This is a cryptographic signature, and it includes a hash of this data plus a shared secret. So, and you don't know the secret. So that's the game here. You can see how it works. It's currently an invalid signature. I can't verify it because I don't know the secret. But if you did know the secret, you could sign these, and the server knows the secret, so it can tell if your tokens are signed. All right, so we're going to get Python 3. I've already got it on my Mac, and now we'll make a word list. Let me just start a terminal, because to hack these things, let me make a directory, 129S. Maybe there's already one. There is, all right. Let's, I can probably just work right here. Okay, so now I'm going to make a word list. All right, and put in these options. You know, to make it easy, I'm going to give you these examples. This is from the book, so there's only like 10 or 15 of them to try, so it won't take forever. So one of these is correct. That's a word list. Now you got to get JWT tool, and let's see if I have it. JWT tool. I don't have it. All right. So here, I think you can no longer install things. This is out of date. I'm going to have to fix it. I'll get it right here in the video. Nowadays, if you try to install anything like this, you're going to get a message that tells you what to do. This is what people used to do. They used to install libraries into their Python. And then what happens is, after a while, your libraries get out of date and you do other projects and you mess up your Python to where nothing works. So nobody will let you do this anymore. If you try to install a library directly into your Python, it will complain. Oh, it didn't complain. Well, now that's rude. I don't know why it's letting me do it. Usually it forces me to make a virtual environment. But if it doesn't, I won't do it. All right, I'll just do this. This seems to work for some reason in the Mac, which is a surprise to me, but I'll go with it. All right. It's letting me install these into my Python the old-fashioned way. Okay. So now that I've installed the right libraries, now I just do a wget to download the tool from a GitHub, the JWT tool, to hack JSON web signatures. All right. Now I can run it here, Python JW tool, there, and looks like it just oh, there, right. Okay, it gives you some greetings, and you can do -H to get a help message. It'll show you what it can do. It can do various things. It can verify a token, and it can do a dictionary attack on the token, which is what we're going to do. So now we just do this to hack the token, and we paste our token in there, which you get from Burp right here. So when you do that, you just paste it in there instead of the X's, and now it will try all those words and tell you which one of the words is correct. I'm not going to finish it here because it reveals a flag, but that's the point. That's how you find out which word is there. And at the CTF I did over the weekend, you could do this with like the RockU database of common passwords and get in. So that's how you get the secret word. And once you have the secret word, you can now say change an email address, and you can change the email address here, and you can generate the token by putting in the secret word here on this page. So you can generate a signature, and you'll find a flag. You'll be able to use the forged token to log into somebody else's account. And that's the point. If you know the token, then you can impersonate anybody, if you know the secret. So just like a password, you shouldn't choose a guessable secret. So that shows you how JSON Web Tokens work. And there's more you can do down here, but I think that's probably enough to get you started, the first 3 of these. These are all extra credit. If you're interested in learning another tool and learning more about APIs, I recommend it. APIs are very important. But, as you say, there are some API labs inside the Web Academy too. Those might be interesting as well. So I think that's all I wanted to show you tonight. Let me stop this.